Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to correctly download Monzo bank statement. First of all, open the Monzo app, launch the Monzo app on your phone and log into your account. Then go to your account. Tap on the account you want the statement for personal, joint or business. Access statements or documents. Tap the Manage tab or three dots in the top right. Select Statement History or Download Statements. Choose the time period. Select the month or custom date range for the statement you need. Now download the statement. Choose your preferred format like PDF or CSV. Tap Download and the file will be saved to your device. Save or share the file. Open the file to check the details. You can print, email, or upload it where needed. And that's it. Your Monzo Bank statement is now ready to use. Thanks for watching.